This video will explain how to change batteries on your Sentry safe fire safe. Follow these simple steps and your safe will be working before you know it. Ready? Here we go. First, remove the screw located underneath the keypad using a Phillips head screwdriver. Then, rotate the keypad clockwise and remove to reveal the battery drawer. Next, remove the old batteries and replace with 4 new AA alkaline batteries. Make sure you use only new alkaline batteries. Do not use non-alkaline batteries, rechargeable batteries, nor mix old and new batteries. To make sure the batteries are installed correctly, the battery contacts should be aligned by following the diagram on the inside of the battery drawer. Now, reattach the keypad and rotate it counterclockwise to lock it into place. Finally, insert the screw located underneath the keypad using a Phillips head screwdriver. For additional how-to videos, please visit sentrysafe.com.